What's up guys, this is IK from IMK Technical Hub. Today we will be doing the unboxing of Nike Trackpant that I purchased from Flipkart, and the link for this is in description. So let's get started. So you can see the packaging, it's come in a packet. I have already opened it, and now we will see these are the grey Nike Trackpant that I purchased from Flipkart, and the price of this unit is 876 rupees, and I have got 60% discount on Nike Trackpant. So on the packet, if you want to see, I will also show you that this packet is original or fake. So you can see this is a packaging. You will get the Nike Trackpant inside this poly bag, and here are some details. You can see the size is medium, and it has been imported by Nike India Pvt Limited, and year of import is April 2018, and MRP is 2195, but I have purchased it at a price of 876 rupees. So let's see. So these are grey Nike Trackpant from Flipkart, and you can see these are Nike Trackpants. These are very light, and now I will show you some details. Here you can read some details here. Same day, year of import, and the price is 2195, and this is made in Thailand. Country of origin, that is Thailand. And also you can see this is standard fit, and let's see, and also this is dry fit, and yes, made in Thailand. And also there are some details here. You can see made in Thailand in English, and some washing care, and some other language stuff, and also there is one product number. I think this is the product number that is written. So overall these are Nike Trackpants, and I don't know this is original or fake, but these are very light and very comfortable and looks very premium, and overall the fabric is also very good, and this is polyester, and this is not a cotton cloth. So you can see this is the elastic, the size is medium. You can see Nike branding here, and there is one stitching, full look is also there. So friend, these are the Nike Trackpant, and tell me in the comment section that this Nike product is genuine or not. I want to also know from you. So friend, this is the unboxing of these Nike Trackpants that I purchased from Flipkart at a price of 876 rupees. So thanks for watching. Check.